This video explores work on brain plasticity. The article from Mind, Brain and Education reviews current challenges and opportunities for leveraging research on cognitive and brain plasticity to inform the timing and content of early academic interventions. Convention has been that educational interventions should occur very early in childhood in order to yield the best possible outcomes later in life. This is based on the knowledge that the developing brain is highly malleable, plastic, there are large economic benefits to investing in early childhood, and early interventions can prevent learning disabilities. Little is currently known about the timing of peak plasticity. We do know that there are critical periods in development when specific environmental inputs are required for normal development, as well as sensitive periods when neural systems are particularly malleable. Executive functions are goal-oriented cognitive processes that allow people to flexibly manage tasks, engage in high-level reasoning, plan ahead, and exert top-down regulation over their behaviour. Executive functions are important for school readiness and predict later literacy and numeracy skills, and they improve rapidly during early childhood until about age 9 or 10, and then continue to improve more gradually into adulthood. The three executive functions focused on were inhibitory control, cognitive flexibility, and working memory. Inhibitory control is the ability to suppress distracting information in order to complete a task. Cognitive flexibility refers to the ability to shift adaptively between changing tasks or mental representations, and working memory refers to the ability to manipulate and maintain a limited amount of information. Early reading ability is pivotal for later academic success. Learning to read is a complex process that builds upon lower-level perceptual and language-related skills. In the domain of speech perception, it has been suggested that there may be staggered and cascading sensitive periods for subcomponent skills, with downstream effects on language outcomes. Early remediation of reading difficulties has been shown to lead to better outcomes. However, children from a broad range of ages may stand to benefit from reading interventions. Early numeracy skills are important predictors of maths achievement, and interventions have been developed to support children with maths-related difficulties. So far, a few meta-analyses of executive function training studies in children and adolescents have found no age effects, raising the possibility that there may not be a clear overall younger age benefit as previously suggested. In the academic domain, complex reading interventions may show plasticity over wider age ranges than previously thought. On the other hand, in studies that individually targeted skills, like phonological awareness, there is some evidence for a benefit to intervening at early grade levels. Interventions for more complex abilities, like reading comprehension, become more important later on. In the domain of maths learning, a few studies on numerosity discrimination and spatial skills training suggest malleability across a broad age range. Most critically for teachers is that until evidence is found to the contrary, interventions can be successful at any age and should not be discounted because the student is too old. Much credit to all of the sources and authors from which I've reported on their work. For further information, please feel free to leave a note in the comments. If you found this video helpful or informative, please click the like button. If you want to see more videos on education and neuroscience, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.